y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these really cute but really simple Valentine's Day gnome candles using all items from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned and I will show you how to make them. Alright y'all, so this craft here is about as fast and easy as Mick's mother-in-law, so let's get right into it. First off, what you're going to need, one of these tall, or however many that you want to make. You don't have to make just one. Actually, I have a bag full here. These tall white candles from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of those. And you're going to need some of these adorable gnome window clings. How cute is that? There's several on the sheet. And then you have your white candle here. I've already wiped this candle down with some rubbing alcohol, okay? Just to make sure they get off all the oil and fingerprints and smudgies and anything that happens to be on there. If you don't do that, then your window clings won't really stick all that well. So this is going to be the back. This is where the label, and no, I'm not going to take off this label, okay? For candles, I kind of like to leave the labels on. So I'm going to make sure that the label is in the very back. Now, why do I have this piece of felt laying here? Because this is glass and tables are hard. I don't like the glass clang, clang, clanging around on the tabletop. I hate that noise. But basically, all that you're going to do is just pick out one of these cute little clings. You know what? She looks happy. Good for you. I'm glad somebody's happy. So we're going to peel it off. These can be difficult to take off. I'm going to peel this off. All right, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Sometimes I have noticed with the Dollar Tree clings, they, like when they go around them to cut, they cut too deep. And then when you pull this off, it pulls off some of the backing, at least in my experience. I got some of the little red truck ones and it happened with that one too. So I'm going to just stick this on here. I don't want to go too far up to the top because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of embellishment up there, okay? So now we're just going to smooth this down like so. Just smooth it down, smooth it down. And it's okay. You see like these little dark marks that's coming up? I don't know if you can see that on camera, but if you see like any of those little dark marks coming up on your window clings, it's okay. Don't worry about that. It'll go away. Just keep rubbing it on there, like really, really get it on there, okay? Okay. It's cold in here. This candle is fairly cold, so I don't know if that's going to affect the clinginess of this. But yeah, these are like little vinyl clings. They're not stickers. Okay, they're not stickers, so if you put them on here, it's not like they're going to be stuck on there forever. You can peel these off and reuse them on something else if you want to. Alright, so there's that, and now there's a few of these little hearts, and I don't think I want to use any of those little hearts as of right now. What I'm going to be using is some of this twine, or this cording, and I got this from Walmart, but you know, Dollar Tree carries it as well over in the automotive section. Let's just start here at the back, and this little indention here on the top of the candle, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue right there. And then I'm just going to wrap this twine around the top a few times. I might bring it down a little bit. I don't know. I'll see once I really get into it, you know, how much I want to use. Now with these clings and the twine on the top, it is your discretion as to whether or not you want to actually burn these. A lot of times I don't have a problem burning embellished candles, but you see this candle is kind of narrow and it's like your wick is like right there. So there's not a lot of space for that heat to escape, or spread out, however you want to say it. So if you do light these, I would say to be incredibly careful. I'm just going to have them sitting around like a decoration piece, you know, not something to actually be used. And that way, if I see any more window clings that I like, I can just switch them out, you know. But I'm just going to wrap this around just a few times. And then we'll come back, and I have a little felt heart here I want to put on there as well. All right, so I have the twine wrapped around the top. Now I have this little package of these felt stickers. These came from the Dollar Tree, and they come in red and pink. Now, she's got like on this red dress and a little bit of pink here. So I think I want to brighten this up a little bit. So I'm going to put the light pink heart up on top. Now, these are stickers, but I don't know. I don't think I trust the adhesive on these. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the back right there. And stick that in. Is that straight? Is that straight? Yo! Is that straight? Okay. Now I also have these little rhinestone stickers. These came from, Dollar Tree as well. I think these pink ones came from Dollar General though. But I have red ones and I have these pink ones. And I think I'm going to use the pink ones on this. That's an awful lot of red, like I mentioned earlier. And I'm just going to stick a few of them on. Just here and there. Just to spruce it up a little bit. Let's see. Let's put one here. I'm not going to put on a whole lot, I don't think. That's pretty cute. And this one from Dollar General has like several different graduated sizes, which I like. I'll do a smaller one here. And then I'll put one down here at the bottom. Uh-oh, that one doesn't want to come off. Why are you acting this way? All right, there we go. I'll just put on a couple more, and then that will be that. And then I have, you know, 2 more candles. And I think I'll just go ahead and use more of these little clings. This one I think is going to be way too wide to go on there. So I think I'm going to use this one and this one. And pretty much do exactly the same thing. So let's see, let's do one here. Just kind of even it out. Why do you not want to come off of there? There we go. It's like the little adhesive sticky back wants to detach from the actual heart. I want to move that one. I don't like the way that looks. But anyway, I'm going to move that one. But anyway, that is all that there is to these. Fast and easy. A little bit of twine and some stickers. And the window clings. Pretty cute. I'm happy with it. And I hope that you liked it too. If you would, give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.